Hello guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this iPod lot that I got off of eBay. So here's a picture of the listing right here. This guitar right here I got for 39 bucks, and this is actually way cheaper than buying all these three iPods individually. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing now. This is an Amazon package, not sure why. Got one more open. Sorry guys, my tripod fell over. Now we got the iPods themselves. Now I've got the small package right here. So now we're going to open the small package. Let's try somewhere else here because I suck. Okay, we've got a little opening here to get the iPods. You also use good enough opening. Let's see if this is good enough opening. This is really tough packaging for whatever reason. And it includes an iPod Shuffle 1st Gen, iPod Nano 5th Gen, and I'm starting to see a sign of the iPods. And here's some iPods. Probably not the best way to unbox something, but certainly not the worst. I'll have an easier time getting it. And here we go at last. Here we go for an iPod. The iPod now, first generation. Nice, nice, nice. Actually in pretty good condition. Oh, yeah, it's not in good condition. It should all work fine though. Doesn't tell now first gen's in 4 GB model and the plastic is also. Now I've got the shovel first gen. It's actually one you can wear with that. Nice, and this should be the iPod now 5th gen. And it indeed sure is. Let's see if this one has any power. Nope. Seems that they're all dead. Ew. Well, thanks guys for watching. Please follow me on Twitter at iTunes Fanboy T. Please follow me on Instagram at the iTunes Fanboy. Please subscribe to my other channels, Theodore Magger and Fanboy Film Directions. And that should be all for this video. And bye bye. I forget what I said. The iPod now 5th gen seems to work fine. It does seem to have a bit of expanded battery, but it seems to work fine. It has a video camera, which is really cool, so I can film. It's got an accelerometer too. So I'm going to see if this one video. See if there's any songs on here. Nope, no music. Okay, nice overall. I'm still not getting any life out of the Nano 1st generation though. So, just add this clip back.